Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. The Hindu editorial dictation heading is Remission without reforms. स्टूडेंट्स आपके लिए एक मोटिवेशन कोड है, ध्यान से सुनिए इसको। राह में चलते जाना है, मंजिल खुद ही पाना है, लाख मुसीबत आए बस चलते जाना है, बस चलते जाना है। स्टूडेंट्स शॉर्ट हैंड एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है जो अगर आप स्टार्टिंग में कोई भी न्यू बच्चा करता है उसको बोरिंग लगता है या उसको स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम आती है, कॉन्सोनेंट नहीं बन रहे तो टीचर बोलता है कि दोबारा बनाओ। तो जो बच्चा बिल्कुल लगा मतलब उसको मान लेता है, ये नहीं समझता कि हम मतलब यहाँ इतना होमवर्क करना पड़ेगा, वो स्टूडेंट अगर धीरे धीरे भी इम्प्रूवमेंट करता है तो उसका हमेशा शॉर्ट हैंड या कोई भी काम उसको आ जाता है। मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है, यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं, कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ये होते हैं कि जो जैसे कमज़ोर भी बच्चे होते हैं, अगर आप कंटिन्यू इंस्टीट्यूट पे आओगे या कंटिन्यू आप होमवर्क करोगे तो आपको सफलता निश्चित ही मिलेगी। अगर कोई स्टूडेंट इंटेलिजेंट भी है, कंटिन्यू नहीं आता है, 1 वीक में 2 दिन आया, 1 दिन का ऑफ कर दिया, तो वो कितना भी इंटेलिजेंट बच्चा हो वो आप कभी भी कामयाब नहीं हो पाएगा। और शॉर्ट हैंड की जब प्रैक्टिस धीरे धीरे स्टार्ट होती है तब कुछ एक ऐसी सिचुएशन आती है तो स्टार्टिंग में हम लिख नहीं पाते, लेकिन उसी में उस टाइम कुछ बच्चे गिव अप कर देते हैं, लेकिन वही टाइम है आपको जो बस चलते जाना है, चलते जाना है, चलते जाना है। इसी के साथ शुरुआत करते हैं हम अपनी डिक्टेशन। आपको कभी भी गिव अप नहीं करना है। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। द रिलीज ऑफ 11 convicts sentenced to life for heinous murder of 7 people and the gang rape of 3 women during the Gujarat communal program of 2022 is a questionable decision by the state. On the face of it, it also appears to be illegal as their terms seem to have been remitted without the required consultation with the union government. It defies logic that those convicted for direct involvement in the rape of 3 women, the murder of a 3-year-old and 6 others can be considered candidates for premature release under any remission policy. One of the convicts had obtained an order from the Supreme Court in May, under which Gujarat, the state in which the crime occurred, was held to be the appropriate government to consider his premature release. The court had asked the state to decide the application under its 1992 remission policy as it was the relevant one on the date of conviction in 2008. However, it is difficult to treat this as a waiver of the required Gujarat under section 435 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, which makes consultation with the center mandatory. Further, a constitution bench in 2015 held that consultation meant concurrence in this provision. The remission also runs contrary to the spirit of contemporary thinking on treating crimes against women and children, especially rape combined with murder, as so heinous that the perpetrators should not be considered for remission. It is not clear if the committee that recommended remission had considered the disquieting effect the release of these prisoners might have on the survivors and other members of the affected community. Next para. A life sentence normally means that a convict has to spend the natural life in prison. The CRPC does permit premature release in the form of remission of commutation, but it should be based on a legal and constitutional scheme and not on a ruler's whimsy. Stop. The power of remission has been conferred on the union and state governments apart from the sovereign power of clemency enjoyed by the president and governors, so that it can be used to temper the laws rigorous with an element of grace. While the benefit of remission ought not to be denied to anyone without a ray of hope that they will be free one day, it is power to be exercised with discretion and wisdom. Further, any decision on remission should be linked to the convict's expression of regret and some promise of reform. It would be unjustified if given for political considerations merely because of elapse of the minimum number of years they have to serve. With an assembly election due to Gujarat at the end of the year, it is difficult not to read political significance into this decision. The sight of the released convicts being greeted and feted on their release will not set easy on the country's conscience. Full stop.